All right, what we're looking at here are Seattle 911 calls. Insert my GeoFlow, grabs the data, brings up my 3D environment, and in this particular case, I already have latitude and longitude. Go ahead and map that. And I'm going to put on the type of call. All right, so this is real Seattle 911 calls. For those of you who aren't that familiar with Seattle, we have two bridges that connect the east side to the west side. This is I-90 and 520. Looks like someone had a car accident out on the bridge, which caused all kinds of problems with traffic. But I can begin to pan around and see different perspectives of the data. And then I can actually do this over time. So play this over time. You see the buildup of various events with respect to 911 calls. There are a wide variety of different controls we give you as the temporal control of things. In terms of the time settings, what I have right now is time accumulation. So things are basically building up over time. We also give you the ability to set as instant or persist last. Instant basically means it just flashes on the screen and disappears, and then persist last means it goes on the screen unless there's something else that replaces it and stays on the screen. Depending upon the story you're trying to tell or the analysis you're trying to do, each of these have different purposes for that. What's unique about this is, or interesting about it, is that the number of 911 calls actually mirrors the Seattle skyline. That's because there is a correlation between the population density and the number of these 911 calls. Okay? All right, so let's move on to another example. And this time, let's look